Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to activate UniCredit mobile banking on your smartphone. First, download the UniCredit mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app and open it on your phone. On the first screen, choose the service you want to activate. If you already use UniCredit e-banking, select Activation with e-banking credentials. Press the Start button. On the next screen, enter your e-banking username and password, then press Next. If the details are correct and your account uses SMS or M-token authentication, you will receive an activation code by SMS. Enter the code in the app as shown on the screen. Next, read the contract statement. If you agree, accept it. This step is only required during the first activation. After that, set a security PIN with at least 6 digits. You can also enable fingerprint or face recognition if your phone supports it. If you activate M-token, you will see a security flag. Remember this flag. Each time you log in, the same flag should appear to confirm your PIN is correct. If you do not have UniCredit e-banking, you must first request a digital user ID. You can do this by visiting a UniCredit branch or calling UniCredit telephone banking. After identification, you will receive a 9-digit digital user ID. Open the app, choose Activation with a digital user ID, and press Start. Enter your digital user ID and press Next. You will receive an activation code by SMS. Enter the code in the app. Then set your PIN and optional biometric access and confirm the security flag for M-token if used. After pressing Next, activation is complete and you can use UniCredit mobile banking. Thanks for watching.